ask me what number it is because I don't know offhand. But Google Maps told me to get on, and now I've gone through 2 spots that said you need Easy Pass or to call *8 whatever. Anyways, I went through the first one and I dialed *8 whatever, and there was no answer. It doesn't do anything, so I don't know. So I'm like, oh crap. And then I hit a second one. So, anybody know what happens with that? I'm a Canadian in the US, and I just drove on a toll road, even though I told Google Maps no tolls. Apparently it put me on a toll road. Any ideas?